What's up, y'all? I'm in this kitchen this morning, about to get this breakfast started. Right now I'm cooking these grits. Got these grits going, baby. You see that thing? All hot and steamy. Yes, I like my grits thick, so yeah. Then we're about to get them eggs frying. I got that bacon in the air fryer. We're gonna get a little toaster going. It's just me, so I don't need much. And that's gonna be my breakfast. We're gonna do this thing this morning. So what's up with y'all this morning? What y'all got going on? I hope everybody's doing great this morning. On this Good Friday. Cinco de Mayo this weekend. I know everybody gonna get their drinks on. Yes. Y'all be safe. Ooh, these grits popping. They popping. They popping. Yes. I like my grits all thick. Yes, baby, yes. Grandma Jade had to get up and get her some breakfast going this morning. Ain't nothing like some good old-fashioned grits with some cheese all scattered up in them. Some scrambled eggs with some cheese, some bacon, and some good toast. Some orange juice on the side. That's going to be my breakfast for this morning, y'all. That's what I'm going to have. I'm going to see how this thing go. So I'm about to put my black pepper and salt up in this grits. Put me a little bit more butter. I had put my butter in here when I was boiling my water for my grits, but I'm gonna put a little bit more. Throw my cheese over here. One piece. 3 pieces is sufficient, and what I have left, I'll put in a bowl so I can keep and eat for later. You know, you can fry you some fish and have you some grits and fish. Can't throw food away, you know what I'm saying? Food too expensive to be thrown away these days. So that's my grits, y'all. They good and ready. So I'm about to get these eggs up on this stove. So let's get these eggs going. I'm just gonna cook me 2 eggs. Keep stirring these grits while the butter melting for the eggs. That good old cheese. Is that good? is scrambled hard with cheese. So we're gonna scramble these eggs hard. I usually put some milk in here, but I already got cheese, so I'm not doing milk this morning. Add my cheese now, y'all. I like cheese and everything. grits, the toast, got the bacon coming up.